This is a summer mango and millet salad. Fresh, vibrant, and the kind of salad you can really make your own. Add what you love, skip what you don't, because salads should be fun. Let's quickly get started. First, I'm adding about half a cup of sorghum, which I soaked for around 6 hours into a pressure cooker with 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to cook this on high flame for about 4 whistles. You can use any millet of your choice. Next, I'm slicing some mushrooms to saute later. Then finally chopping an onion. Slicing a cucumber into thin roundels and chopping a red bell pepper into little squares. Finally cut the mango into cubes. It's best to use the fleshy variety like Alfonso. I'm using Banganpalli here. Now let's make the dressing. Into a blender, add a tiny piece of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, some fresh mint leaves, a generous handful of coriander leaves, toasted black sesame seeds, 1 green chilli and the juice of half a lime. Finally add some salt and a little jaggery. Blend this into a smooth paste. Now in a pan with the tiniest bit of oil, toss the mushrooms until cooked through. And now all that's left to do is assemble. Start with cooked millet. Then add the cucumbers, onions, chopped bell pepper, some pomegranate, chopped mango and some boiled peanuts. You can also use toasted peanuts if you prefer. Add in the mushrooms and give everything a good mix. Millet makes the salad really hearty enough for lunch or dinner. Now pour over the dressing and mix once again. I was experimenting with cheese making and had some leftover Himalayan cheese, so I added a bit of that. Serve immediately. Fresh, bright and wholesome, this hearty salad comes together easily for a quick dinner and also works beautifully as a side with a larger spread. I hope you give this a try. For more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Until the next one, take care and ta-da!